Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare LearnDash and Tutor LMS. Both LearnDash and Tutor LMS are popular learning management system or LMS plugins for WordPress. LearnDash is powerful and designed for businesses, universities, and professional course creators. It offers a robust course builder with a drag-and-drop interface, advancing quiz options, and trip content functionality. However, it has a moderate learning curve which may require time for beginners to master. Tutor LMS is a user-friendly and ideal for individuals, educators, small businesses, and online course marketplace. The plugin supports various monetization options and has built-in multi-instructor support for marketplace-style platforms. However, the premium features are required for advanced functionality, making it less comprehensive compared to some enterprise-level LMS solutions. Overall, LearnDash is better for a large-scale, feature-rich e-learning platform, while Tutor LMS is ideal for beginners and small businesses looking for an affordable solution. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.